Bit Filipino, Bisaya, ang bibi.
Like that.
She eat with her hands. Wow.
The baby always eat with that.
Garlic rice? Eat garlic rice? Brava! She eat with you, anak. They didn't eat with me. I tried to give her. She come with us, yeah. She like ate there.
Yesterday she came to me also.
Her food, she didn't eat, wala. She has cereals.
A spoon. Have you taste?
Brava naman yan na bebe. Hungry? Hungry. You wanna give you, bebe?
Questo sì, invece. Ma allora sei la povertà? Ah, sì, povertà. E noi due insieme riusciremo a distruggere il mondo intero.
Get the rice, you get the rice. Oh. Gotta get the rice. Look at the hands.
Hala ka Filipina.
Filipina naman
She
yan.
born in Italy. She's poor abused.
Oh, get the little one only. The little booster only. No, not the oily one. Anak, there is little. What that? Wait. Get hungry din ang lang. Ay, get hungry, ha?
She do like that.
Si Brava.
Oh, that's so cute.
No worries, guys. She eat only sometimes. Sometimes it's okay.
Sometimes she eat with
Right.
my mom and sometimes she eat with me. Yesterday she eat with me.
Because she get used to it with you because mama in the morning non siya.
Molto interessante.